excited. It's the first look at us as a team. You know, we just got done with practice just now. We've been practicing about 6 practices now, just kind of getting things together. And we're going to Canada to play some good teams, so it'll be an interesting first look.
Well, it makes me excited because we're going to have a lot more depth this year. Last year was kind of our first group and kind of cruising through practice because we were, didn't have as many bodies and fewer players. But we got a lot of guys that won't play in time, so they're going to be competing daily, and that's only going to make us better.
Oh yeah, I love it. We get a chance to throw the ball up in the air and play with each other. Get used to each other's game. Build a chemistry, and I think this is the perfect time to do it. So this is a very, very pivotal trip.
The teams up in Canada, they get to play year-round. Their college is up there, so they'll be in shape, well prepared, and it'll be good competition for us.
The extra is always better. It doesn't hurt to get extra work. So I mean, we feel like we're taking that into advantage. We're ahead of a lot of other teams.
The biggest thing is I want to play hard, have fun. It's a situation where I'm still going to be evaluating in a lot of ways. I'll be coaching, but at the same time, just kind of watching my guys, see what I got, get a feel for them. It'll help us as a coaching staff, as we come back and prepare for the fall, have a much clearer vision of what we have to work with this year.
The team they're really gelling. Yeah. Like with a lot of teams, you don't really have like a bond, like a brotherhood. Like these group of guys really get along together, really like each other on and off the court. So it's really making it a lot easier.
Oh yeah, I love the new guys, man. They came in here with a work ethic, good mentality, bring it every day. So I love it. I love all our new pieces. I expect some high-level games, and that's anything you can ask for as a basketball player. You always want some competition. You always want to challenge yourself, get better. So I look forward to some high-level competition and teams that's going to push us to get better and grow.